Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'll be giving you just a really short tour of my residence rooms here at Ryerson. I'm here for media production, obviously. I'm sure you can tell if you've watched any of my other videos. We had a bit of trouble with the key card getting in, but it seems to be working okay now. Sometimes it still doesn't open when the light turns green. Inside, we've got a closet on this side, which is, I think it was, what was it, a ½ inch larger than this side? So it's not a true rectangle. So if you just come in, it's a bit tight with the bed here, but that's how it is. There's really not much to it. I can take the mask off now. This is pretty much the room. Mini fridge, dream mug, fake cactus because I can't be trusted with anything organic. Another fake plant there, some school supplies, a monitor, no computer yet. We're waiting for the new MacBook Pros to refresh. So I'm rocking one from 2012, it's still going strong. Some dolly move-in stuff. The bed frame, the bed is not centered on it because I need space to be able to make my bed in the morning. The school provided chair, which they will not take out of the room. It has to be here when you get here and it has to be here when you leave. So my options for office chairs are practically none. I can't really change that. Got the fan here, which is crucial given that the AC unit behind you right now is broken, obviously. Wireless charger, kind of a janky little setup here, but I don't have a nightstand and we didn't know the actual dimensions of the room. This is the first time we're actually seeing it. I mean, all things considered, it's actually pretty nice. I'm not sure where my mom's gone. Here we have the bathroom. It's nothing special. It is literally just, it's a small hotel bathroom. It is what it is. You know, it's nice. It's nice enough. I don't have to share it with anyone, which I'm very grateful for. Haven't had the best roommates in the past, and I do like my own space. So I am happy that I am by myself, even though this is definitely not the nicest building. My first choice was the nicer building with roommates. This is the less nice building, but with no roommates. I hate the wallpaper with a burning passion, but we'll cover it up with some never seen before photos that I am getting printed out professionally, and we'll be putting them on the walls and stuff, assuming that things actually stick, right, and they don't fall off. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I wanted to give you a little update, a little look inside, I guess, at where I'll be living and where I'll be making my new YouTube videos. And that wall there, I'll probably get some fairy lights and some ivy going so that when I put the camera on that ledge there, we get the natural light coming in, and that'll probably be the background in the YouTube videos. So yeah, I guess I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.